Hello, so our video today is another homeschool series video, and today we're going to be unboxing, since it's the start of the school year, we're going to be unboxing this organizational 3-drawer unit which I am using for our homeschool. As you can see, there are 6 drawers and I'm going to be using each one for the days of the week. So let's pull this out. So there are 2 sets of drawers, and I'm going to be labeling them according to the days of the week. So like for instance, the kids has some paperwork to do on Monday, like charts. I'm going to get it ready and put it on the Monday drawer, Tuesday drawer, Wednesday drawer, and so on. And they're stackable as well. So as you can see, they are stackable. They kind of like fit snug to each other, and the drawers are approximately 12 by 12, so it would fit letter size folder or envelopes. So I have seen this idea in one of those homeschool pages, and they have like a Monday label here. I'm gonna laminate a Monday over here and just tape it over here: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then you can prep like a week ahead, and then when you're done, you can remove all the stuff in and then do the next week. So that is our homeschool organizational video for today. See you in the next one. And this is the brand. I got it from Walmart. Bye-bye.